Alright, so I gotta do the Bloody Mary challenge, cause I lost the bet to Victor, so here we go. We got a little candle here, you know, to spice things up. Holy shit, it's dark in here. Can close the door. Alright, obviously you can't see anything, but see this little candle right there. Right there. So, here we go. Okay. Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary. Let's see if anything happens. Shit. What? No fucking, no, 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 no. Oh shit! Dude, no fucking, no, 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 no. Oh my god, no, 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 no. Get the fuck open! Shit. Dude, Victor, Victor, Victor. Dude. Oh my fucking god. You're gonna believe it. You know, watch, you gotta watch. Oh my fucking god.